and you can earn up to $30 an hour doing this. Welcome to Team Go Mode. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now, if you are somebody looking for a way to earn some extra cash, this might be the opportunity for you. Now, this company called 3Play Media is currently looking for voice writers. Now, you might be thinking, what the hell is a voice writer? All right, so basically what your job is going to be is to repeat what a speaker is saying into a software so people that have hearing issues can actually understand what the speaker is saying. If you get hired for this position, you're gonna log into live events, right? They're gonna be scheduled events. You gotta log into them with your little headset, microphone and everything. As soon as the speaker starts talking, you just repeat everything they say. So you only need two things to do this job. One is a computer, and the second thing, you need a headset with the microphone so you can actually talk into the software. So let's talk about pay. The site shows where you're gonna earn 50 cents per transcribed audio minute. Now, with most events lasting anywhere from 60 to 90 minutes, you're gonna average around $30 an hour, give or take. Now, you also get paid for prep time. So prep time is basically like 20 minutes before the actual event starts. You got to do, you got to set stuff up, you got to get ready, and you actually get paid for that. Now, who is this type of job for, in my opinion? Well, first of all, you got to be somebody who can pay attention, all right? Because when you check out 3Play Media's website, they actually give you an example of what a voice writer does, and you can actually follow along with it, right? And I ain't gonna lie, I was doing it, but for a second I was like, damn, what'd he say, right? And you got to really be paying attention. Now, obviously, if you get hired for this job, you do get trained and everything, so I'm sure there's a method to doing this. You do got to be somebody who can hear good yourself. You got to be able to pay attention, and you do need a distraction-free area, all right? Now, I ain't gonna lie, I think this is a dope-ass side hustle for myself, but I can't. You know why I can't do it? Because my baby boy, my pit boxer is in the other room, right? And I can't take the chance of me doing that interview, right? Like, I'm doing a live event, I'm trying to repeat everything, right? I'm doing what I do, and then the mailman come to the door. All hell break loose. So, like, if you got kids in the background talking and crying, or if you got animals, this probably ain't gonna be for you, right? Because these events are live. You got to be on point to do this. But if you're the type of person with no distractions and you can pay attention, this could be a nice extra income. But you also want to keep in mind that if you get hired for 3Play Media, you're not going to be sitting there for 8 hours a day doing 8 events and making all this money. So you might, get one event, right, in a week. You might get 5 events that you can do in a week. So if you do get hired, look at this as a extra income opportunity. But if you're on your game, this could be a very easy way to earn some cash. Now, if you want to check out 3Play Media for yourself, I will throw a link somewhere in the description of this video. But if you want to check out another way that you can start earning money online and how I make money online every single month, you want to watch this video right here, right now.